Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video guide, I want to show you how to connect your LG TV to internet via Ethernet cable for you to be able to watch any TV program, YouTube online. So we're going to connect this using Ethernet cable hardwired. I'm going to switch the TV on using the remote. Use the remote, select settings. Scroll down to the internet. It's currently showing us internet not connected. So select internet. Internet connection, please select an internet connection method. Wired connection, Ethernet, not connected. Also showing us Wi-Fi connection, not connected. Take this cable. So connect this cable to this port, LAN. So take the cable, connect it to this port on your TV. We'll show you LAN. Then take the other end of the cable. So connect it to internet. We'll show you number 1 to number 4. So connect it to any number you want. I'm going to connect it to number 4. You will see the cable to number 4 and it's connected. So connect it to the yellow part of the cable to number 4. The TV is actually connected to the internet. So go to the TV settings. Scroll down to network. Network is showing us connected to wired. If we select on the network, internet connection, please select an internet connection method. Wired connection, Ethernet, connected to internet. So this is how to connect your TV to internet, connected to Ethernet. So you can watch any TV program. You can watch YouTube, for example. So if you scroll down to YouTube, select YouTube. Select watch as a guest. So I'm going to go to search and go to one of my channel. Select on it. EcoTank L3280. So this is YouTube, my video on YouTube. So this is how to connect your TV to Ethernet using hardwired. I hope this helped you. Thank you very much indeed. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. This is LG TV, how to connect it to Ethernet using hardwired. Thank you very much indeed.